Hi everyone, this is V with Real Journal Talk and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to actually be my cash envelope stuffing for my first paycheck in May. If you're interested in watching, please continue to watch. So I want to just say welcome back to my channel, and for all my new subscribers, welcome. And for anyone new, thanks for stopping by, and I hope that you consider clicking that red subscribe button and joining my channel as well. So let's get into this video. So for those who are new, I actually set up my cash envelopes based off of whatever type of expenses or areas that I want to have money allocated to specifically for certain categories. And right now I am currently doing $360 per paycheck for my cash envelopes. So typically I just go to the bank, pull out the money, and then I'll have it for my categories. And right now I'm using this file of facts to do that. So let's count. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3. So that's the 360. And so my first category is groceries. I always do $140 per pay period, and if it's something left over, then I'll just put it over in another envelope for the ending of the month. But as you can see, this envelope is actually empty, so that means I utilized the whole 140 for last pay period. So let's see if I can grab them. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40. And then we have the kids, it's the chores. So the two little ones, $10 per pay period. And as you can see, they decide to utilize theirs last pay period, so they actually will have this one to look to be considered for this upcoming 2 weeks. And that's 20. Gas, even though I am currently not going into the office, but I still allocate the $40 as if I was, just because I just like to have it, so I won't always have to use my debit card. If I'm out, I'll have this to the side where I can act like I'm still going to the office. But I do 40 per pay period, and that's 20, 40. And cleaning, last year I was doing 10. I increased it up to 20, and I know that I need to go up to 40. I just didn't allocate that for this pay period, but this month actually, when I set up my May's budget. So the goal would be is probably to double this up to 40 per pay period starting in June, but for right now it's just 20. And we have the movie, and I do 20, and that's just for Redbox or any type of movies that I want to order offline. I'll have that, so it won't actually be coming out of my regular monies in my bank. So that's 20. And then I have my sinking fund, which is actually for my upcoming taxes for next year, but I usually start paying on it in August, and I do 40 per pay period, so 20, 40. And that way I can at least have at least half of a certain percentage by the time I start paying in August. So that's 40, and as you can see, that's still in there because this is a sinking fund envelope. It's not part of my regular cash envelopes where I spend that money. This is something that I'm trying to save up to accomplish. So that's the taxes. Then of course I have my YouTube envelope. This is actually where I utilize this to if I need something as for like when I'm doing my videos, or if I want to buy a planner or something, in addition to, like I said, previous videos, once I get to my subscriber count, the goal is 1,000, is to use whatever's in this envelope to get that particular winner a gift for my channel, whether it's planners, a spring box from Erin Condren, whatever the situation is. I'll make that decision once I get there, but that's what's going to come out of this particular envelope. And I do 40 per pay period, and so that's 20, 40, and whenever I need to get something, I'll just take it out of here, because this is part of for the YouTube, my YouTube channel. Is not for me to actually just spend. If I want to get something offline for my account, my channel, my laptop, anything, it's going to come out of here. But that's 40 per pay period. Then of course my personal is for little old me. I do 40 per pay period, and that's 20, 40, and that's for me just to get something that I may see that I want. And that's what this is. And this envelope that's just sitting out here a little off from the slips, but anytime I have anything left over from these envelopes, what I'll do is I'll just take the besides those two, the YouTube and the taxes, I'll take whatever's left, put it in this envelope at the ending per paycheck, per cash envelope when I'm replenishing, and then I'll decide how I want to use it. If I want to use it for something that I've been wanting to get for a long time, or whatever the case is, and that's what this envelope is going to be for now. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please make sure you give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, as well as please don't forget to click that red subscribe button at the bottom of your the channel. So thanks. Bye everyone.